This week we blow the dust off
A rare 80s model sports car.
This marvelous piece of, what are you gonna call it? Oh, that's a terrible angle of you. Oh, it's like a little dodgy ass blade. You know them plastic folding ones that go in your wallet?
Yeah.
When we went to fly to Mackay, it was in there.
Yeah.
To ditch it at the airport. I was like, oh yes, I forgot about this.
Do you have one of them? Yes.
So, wow, CDs. Do you remember those?
Got a DVD player. Is it still just doing this?
Master,
Oh, yeah, look at this.
Master
Ready?
Builders.
Ready?
Can we change that to Master Beaters?
Ready? Look up here.
Hang on. Alright, yeah, there we go. Oh, I don't want to breathe that.
No.
So,
The whole door can't do it too, step back.
for me to step back. Wow. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. That's terrible. And what are they? HDT, or whatever the shit that was.
Yep. On another thing.
Oh, is that what it was for? Oh god, it's around my face. You purple door thingos,
Yeah, shut up.
door jams.
Shut up.
But all in all, like, there's some little cancery stuff here to fix.
And this bit here where I was an idiot and flipped the bonnet.
Yeah, but I don't think that's cancery, it's just...
Oh, that's just surface because I fish oil the fuck out of it.
Same with...
That door is bad.
Yeah, same with your bonnet's got a big miss in the corners.
Here, it's pinched.
Correct.
Yeah, down here. We've got some
Yeah,
rust.
that's... You've had a front end tap, didn't you?
No.
Yes.
No.
Someone had a front end
Someone
tap.
has. This has many questionable
Because if
issues.
this came forward, so this lined up, which there's also another little crease down there.
Yeah.
That door would have a beautiful gap. Maybe not beautiful, but it'd be acceptable. Oh, that's, that guard doesn't line up right.
No.
You say there's rust here. Oh, there's a little bit. Actually, there's a fair bit. You can get sills for this, can't you?
I believe so.
A little bit on that guard. Not much on the guard, though. That guard's very savable. This is going to be a fun project. We should do it.
Just a money and time thing, right?
At some point, this will get done. Oh, look, there's a handprint.
Yeah, I'm going to wash
Half
hopefully
half.
tomorrow. So we'll get this down.
I'm not finished looking at the car. People are going to be more interested in the car. Look at that. Do you remember when people used to think cold air intakes were a cool thing, but really
I needed that.
you go through water and it just sucks it up into your air filter?
Don't worry about that. If you go through water, it comes through the through your feet and the firewall and hits you because there's a big hole in the floor. But it needs that because it overheated.
Can you open this up? Is that popped? Because it's high in the center bit. Okay.
Yeah, it overheated. It's not air intake.
I don't think that's going to fix it.
It did.
It did. Look at this. What a weapon. Got some...
Kim reversed into it with her barn door open.
Oh. So it went over this and into that?
Yep.
Well, that's lucky. Oh, glass. Remember when cars used to have glass?
I believe this one's plastic.
Oh.
I don't know. What do you think?
That's definitely glass. So the powerhouse. Purple engine bay, and they just painted straight over the tags. You're missing I don't know what that panel's called, but that panel.
Yeah, it's always been missing.
Cowling?
It's got half of it. What do you want?
Whatever that is. We'll buy one.
Ooh.
What did you see? That's not a good ooh.
Up in there.
Up in where? Oh yeah, I see. Nah, it's not bad.
Yeah, no, it's just the first look.
Oh. Nah, that's solid. It's
Once
just...
the guard comes off, it's easy to get to.
Yeah, the join, where they've joined it and gooped it, it's just a little bit, like, not joined properly.
Not goopy enough.
So either it's had a front end smack, which I'm saying it has, most definitely, and then they just haven't pinched it and spot welded it, they've just... after
Well,
they've used the air chisel.
The non-matching things in this car, I think it's had a lot of incidents.
Yeah, oh shit, there's a head under this thing. So, wash it, and I said... Oh, stop doing that around me. Oh! Yeah! Oh, I'm not going to play with that, that's going to break. Yeah, so dusty. Oh, let's give it a hear. Yeah, it's just a little crusty. So how long has it been sitting here? 10?
I've been sitting here 7 going on 8 years.
8 years.
Then it sat on the road out front of Mum's for 2. Yeah, that's new. Come 5 bonnet.
No, I think you had a little bit of moisture.
I believe I had the battery touch at one point too.
Oh, we've all done that once.
Because there's a lot of shit coming out of there. I figure if that Richard Rawlings fuck can do it.
Yeah, how hard can it be?
Come at me, bro.
He wouldn't even know what a VK is.
Yeah, no, like, what's that fucking
Rusted pile of shit.
Yeah, ain't worth $3.50.
Yeah.
Beer system with this weak ass piss beer.
Yeah, God, that's the worst beer.
Should be a rum system. Air intake.
Air intake doesn't come up here anymore.
Yes, it does.
Where?
Straight up under the fucking box.
Going well.
Pop the filter box and put it in there.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll swap it.
Good plugs.
Yeah, it's a big effort. Yeah, no, it's not probably not fuse or something. That's really more than enough. Oh, this smells bad. Smells like death and varnish.
What we should do,
Just dump it.
yeah, when we're done, like if it runs, we'll undo the fuel line off here and just pump it out and dump it. Dump it?
Oh, gross. I keep eating my mohair.
Gross.
Yeah, I might have to get rid of it. You should. Moustaches are you were bitching that you left your thing there. There's pickles on my floor.
Fell over.
Where's the tripod with the camera?
What there?
You can't see the pickles on the floor.
No, you would have seen it sitting there I think that's the spring. I was going to say it's almost running better. Keep it revving for a bit till it clears out. Dry out eventually. That's all the oil smoke. That's actually not better. That's probably 4 out of 6.
Nah, she was lumpy, man.
We'll move this, drop it on the ground.
That should probably have to go soon.
Yeah. Let's give it a hose up and drive it back in on the concrete. Sound good? Sounds good.
What's the back route?
It seems like it's placed in an okay spot. I won't flip it for the lower. First time that's moved in 8 years. It's laying down, but as long as you're not throwing it into corners, it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm assuming you're not taking it around the block, you're just going to wash it?
I'm just going to do the windscreen. I can't see anything out of it.
Hang on. Hang on. Remember, your tyres are very flat.
And I don't know if the brakes work.
Does your temp gauge work?
I don't know if anything works.
Certainly not on 6.
Certainly not on a lot of things.
I'm assuming it's not going far until it gets a good look at. I mean, that's impressive that it's that mangled. We just got to the speed limits. Down a hill. That's not bad. First drive in 8 years.
Probably longer. Do you want a seatbelt?
I tried, it doesn't work.
Okay.
Going around the block again?
Yep.
I'm assuming that's brakes, not clutch I'm smelling.
Hello.
Yeah,
Still following.
Yeah, they're probably just like, there's a black VK with no plates. Ooh. Flat tyres running on 4 cylinders.
Wait, cut the corner, you fuck. Be dangerous one of them. There we go. At least smoothing out a little bit.
Yeah. Flat tyres.
And
Bolts falling off.
we might have a flat.
Kind of feels like it, if I'm honest. Just cutting back down the side into the backyard again.
Yeah, well, yeah, possibly.
Yeah, it's bouncing like it's got a flat. And that's power steering.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Pushing?
yep, quickly.
It started again immediately once we pushed it in. I think it's tyre rubbing on everything. Yeah. But just gonna leave it out, windows up, or are you gonna try to?
Might leave it off for a little bit too, because after doing that.
Yeah. Ben's old VK running for the first time in. Well, the rego sticker expired 2011. It's now 2020. 9 years since that's been registered.
Still can't believe that's all your water pressure. That's ridiculous.
out your intake. Hey, clean teeth are happy teeth. Maybe not those ones. Any more and it'll be hillbilly and be missing some. Hey! Oh, oh! Also, your alternator's not charging. It's not latched. I sort of left it up just in case it catches fire. Oh, you missed a spot.
Yeah, get in there.
Oh. Oh, look, you missed another spot.
Yeah, get in there.
In where?
But, you know, look at the difference between first and third. Should we put your clutch in there, buddy? All the way to the floor. Yeah, that fine third. It was like that far beside it. Now find the rest.
I want to lean on it till I break it.
You will.
Whoa.
Oh, buddy, what are you doing? What are you doing, man?
Your clutch is fucked.
What are you doing? Do you know how to work a 4-speed? No, that ain't first, that ain't nothing.
Yeah, exactly. That's bending.
Yeah, that's first, yep.
Well, that's chunky. We should do it.
That's nothing. Find reverse.
Well, I'm good. It's not going to go into reverse. This thing is packed. How did it make it around the block?
You just don't know how to drive, motherfucker.
We've also got a battery light on.
Yeah. Yeah. Does my stereo still work with the no speakers? I doubt it still works. What's that Fast and Furious music? The first one when he opens his radio. So this still works, you just can't use the buttons, you have to use the touchscreen.
Oh. So,
So does this, ready?
gay! AIDS. Like African AIDS.
It also blocks your aircon vents when it comes out.
Oh, that's cooling because it's old school and overheats.
It doesn't have an aircon vent. It doesn't have aircon. Look at that. You watch porn on that motherfucker.
I think this is the smoothest this car has ever run since I've known you.
I think it's the smoothest ever run, period.
Like, I think it's still missing, but...
Missing some horsepower.
I wonder if it'll pop flames again. Make it pop flames. The people want to see flames or rock. You had one good one. Did you just get stuck in your own car?
Yep. My shoelace got stuck on the pedal.
The pedal. Yeah, it had one little flame.
Smelling a lot better.
Yeah, it's actually running pretty good. Like I think it probably needs to have a good run for some time. Like the 300. The more it ran, the better it got. Want to slap some rego on it?
We do have some outside.
Hey?
We do have registration on a VP outside.
Oh.
Pump those tires.
Yeah. Where's my thing? Out here. Ah, son of a bitch, that same screw!
What?
The same screw! Twice it's been inside of my foot.
Exciting. You should have 240 got one of these.
We had one. Someone doesn't like air tools,
Oh yeah,
Ben.
that's what that is.
Oh. It's probably not this. It doesn't have the power. Don't believe it.
I've watched it.
Let's make this go taller.
What?
Not you.
Ah!
What happened?
That's what that.
That'll teach you. Oh, why's that not undoing? This is the worst tripod ever. It's not the smoothest thing in the world. There we go. We just... Oh shit, steel's in the way. Steel's in the way. There we go. How happy are you right now?